Hi guys, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are a trader looking to understand market sentiment and identify potential turning points, then the cumulative tick indicator could be a valuable addition to your trading toolbox. So let us just look at the indicator real quick. I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now. Okay, the cumulative tick indicator. Okay, so now the cumulative tick indicator provides unique insights into buying and selling pressure, helping you spot early trends and make more informed trading decisions. Okay, so in this video, we're just going to break down the cumulative tick indicator, how it works, how to use it, and the best strategies for incorporating it into your trading system. Okay, let's just quickly dive into it. The cumulative tick indicator is a momentum-based tool, okay, that measures the cumulative tick data in the market. In simple terms, it tracks the difference between the number of advancing and declining stocks, or for Forex, focuses on the uptick and the downtick data. All right. So this indicator helps traders identify the overall sentiment in the market. When there is more buying pressure, which is more upticks, the cumulative tick will be, will move positively, right? When there is more upticks, the cumulative tick will move positively. Conversely, when there is more selling pressure, which are downticks, the cumulative tick moves negatively. All right. So the cumulative tick indicator takes all this information and combines it into the indicator display, right? So whatever form in which the indicator displays on your chart, it combines the necessary information and then displays it as in this case. You can see that it has displayed some histogram bars right on the chart. Okay, so with this information, traders can be able to know when the market health, traders can be able to understand if the market is bullish or bearish, giving a real-time view of the market's health and helping traders identify potential trend reversals. Okay, now how do you use the cumulative tick indicator in trading? Let us talk about how to use this indicator in your trading strategy. The cumulative tick indicator works best when you want to get a clear sense of market direction, or when you are trying to determine if a trend is likely to continue or reverse. So here's how to use it. Yeah, first of all, to identify market sentiment, right? When you have a positive accumulating, a positive cumulative tick, which is above zero, and not just that, but the histogram bars are rising. When you have them rising, surging upwards, right, it shows that there is bullish sentiment. When the histogram bars are just above zero, well, it could mean that bullish sentiment is building up, right? But when the indicator begins to climb up, you can see how the histogram bars are rising up. It could show that the bullish momentum is actually strong, and you can see what happened around here, right? Okay, so now that means that there is more buying pressure in the market. On the other hand, a negative cumulative tick, which is below zero, indicates a bearish sentiment, meaning that more selling pressure is dominating. And guess what? When this began to decline, you can see that even though that the market did not just suddenly fall, no, that didn't happen, right? But you can see that clearly the bullish momentum was halted. You can see that clearly the bullish momentum was halted. The market began to consolidate. All right. And then you can see that another level of consolidation began again after it seemed as if the price kind of broke to the upside, but then another phase of consolidation and even a declining triangle pattern formed. You can see that we had a declining triangle pattern around here, right? So that showed that there was actually prevalence of bearish momentum. You can see all this while that the green histogram bars were prevailing. You can see that we had notable bearish momentum around all this, all these periods, right? And then suddenly we had, a little push of bullish momentum. And then, well, it didn't exactly last for too long, right? Before the small red came up. but then eventually the bulls still prevailed for a while before we had the bears take over again, and so on and so forth. So it has been a battle between the bulls and the bears, right? So the stronger the cumulative tick, the more confident you can be that the trend is likely to, go in the direction of, the representation of the cumulative tick, right? So if you have a strong, cumulative tick above zero, like the green bars, for example, you can have, a confidence in the possibility of a buy trend, right? But if you have a strong, histogram bars in the negative direction, if the bars form right after a bullish trend, there could be a consolidation first. But if the sell momentum is very strong, there could actually be a bearish reversal. Okay, so remember that no indicator is 100% accurate. Okay, so remember that, right? So you can use this indicator to spot reversals. When the cumulative tick shifts from positive to negative, it could actually signal that the bullish trend is losing steam, just like what we saw around here. And there is a possibility that a bearish reversal could take place if the bearish momentum should intensify, right? Similarly, if the cumulative tick moves from negative to positive, if it moves from negative to positive, it could indicate that the bearish trend is weakening and the bullish reversal could be on the way. All right, you can also use this indicator alongside other indicators for confirmation, right? You can use the cumulative tick indicator to confirm signals from maybe other tools like moving averages or RSI, etc. For instance, if you're moving average, let me just add a moving average to the chart real quick. Okay. Let's just use a better value. Yeah? Okay, so now, if, for example, your moving average crosses above a certain level, or rather, perhaps you have price, cross above your moving average, and then it happens that the cumulative tick, is positive, right? This can serve as a strong confirmation of the uptrend. Likewise, if the RSI, maybe if you want to use RSI for your confirmation, let's just add RSI indicator to the chart. So if it happens that the RSI shows overbought condition, right? If it happens that the RSI shows overbought condition like what we have here, and maybe the cumulative tick is also negative, right? It could indicate a potential, bearish reversal. All right. So now here are a couple of strategies that can help you trade with the cumulative tick indicator. One is trend confirmation, right? You can actually use the cumulative tick to confirm whether the market trend is strong or weak. For example, if the market is in an uptrend, right, but the cumulative tick is negative, maybe it turns negative like what happened here, right? It turns negative or near zero. It could be a signal that the trend lacks momentum and might reverse soon. Okay, and then you can use this indicator for early trend detection, right? Since the cumulative tick indicator tracks the underlying buying and selling pressure, it can help you detect trends early. So when the cumulative tick starts to shift from neutral to positive, or negative, if it is a bullish case, that's positive. If it's a bearish case, that's negative, right? You might want to consider entering a trade in the direction of the new trend. So to make the most of the cumulative tick indicator, it's important to understand how to interpret its data properly, right? A sharply rising cumulative tick indicates that the market is experiencing a strong buying pressure, right? Which could indicate that the current trend will continue. On the other hand, a sharply falling cumulative tick shows strong selling pressure, signaling that the market may be heading for a bearish reversal. So understanding these shifts and the degree of movement in the cumulative tick can help you make timely decisions and avoid getting caught in false breakouts. Now, the cumulative tick indicator is quite an effective tool for gauging market sentiment and spotting early trends. By understanding buying and selling pressure, you can make more informed decisions and improve your market timing. So whether you are trading stocks, Forex, or crypto, this indicator can actually give you value. All right, it can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit, irrespective of the asset class that you were trading. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, okay, so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. Okay, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.